How to send a video consultation. Once you've located your patient in Accurx, you might want to send a video consultation invite. You can conduct secure video calling with your patient and up to 50 other participants on Accurx. So you can invite family members and other clinicians to join the call too. Select Compose Invitation under the Video Consult banner to send a link to a video consultation. It will bring up this template and also display the patient's demographic information so you can be confident that you're sending it to the right person. If you want to send an invitation over SMS, ensure you've selected phone and check that the mobile number is correct for your patient. The patient's mobile number field should be pre-populated. If you'd like to message a different number, you can edit this field. If you'd like to send an email instead, click on Email and enter your patient's email address. You can use the default template provided or select a different one from the Message Template dropdown. You can make edits within the message text directly from this page. The link to your video consultation will appear in the message below, at the bottom of the text. Once you're ready and happy with your message, click Send. Once your message has been successfully sent, you can choose to make a copy of the sent message for your records or search for a new patient from this page. To the right of the page, you can track your patient's progress in joining the call. I will now open up the video link from my mobile so you can view the status change. You can see that the patient has opened up the video link and is setting up their device. You can now click on the Open Video Consult button, which will open up a separate tab with the video provider. You can then copy that same video link to send them to other people who will be able to join the call. You can also schedule video appointments in advance, which I'll go through in a separate video. You'll find the link to the instructional video in the notes section below.